most irregular, Constable.
I should hope so, Doctor, but in this case necessary. She'll need to operate immediately.
Operate? She's dead.
When we say operate, we mean, of course, I will need the operating table. Once more, the neck wound cauterized, the sword thrust to the stomach, the same. But to what purpose?
To what is your purpose is the question. What manner of instruments are these?
Some of my own design. All right, then. Step outside, young Masbeth. Thank you very, very much for your help, Mr. Killian. And if you don't mind, Doctor, my concentration suffers greatly when I'm observed. I am finished.
What in the name of God have you done to her?
We are dealing with a madman.
What did you find out, Constable?
The widow Winship was with child. Who's there?